Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix FANTATALE game crashing, not working, not loading, lagging or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your device once. For that, press and hold the power plus volume up button and select restart. Now after restarting your phone, check if you can play the game. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and click on OK. After that, try to open the game and check. If it's not resolved, you have to clear the cache. For that, click on storage and cache option and then click on clear cache option. Once done, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to check internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for FANTATALE game. Now here the game is there. You have to check if any update is available. If there is any update, simply update your game to the latest version and then check if you can launch the game. If not, you should also check if your phone needs any kind of OS update. For that, go to settings. Now go below, click on system update and here you should check if any update is available. If yes, update your phone to the latest OS and after that check if the game is launching or not. If not, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, you have to select the game and then click on uninstall icon and then click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your device. Once done, again restart your phone and then again go to Google Play Store. Now in the search option, search for the game once again and here you have to click on install and wait for some time and then launch the game and check if you can play it. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.